After you know how to use the cutting plane, how to split the beam and how to split the OC slab, how to join the split beam and split slab. Now I want to restore the original model. Click on the cutting plane or reset all or deactivate all. Now I use the reset all. Okay. Come back on the second floor, slab join. Before you join slab, select the right slab, change the vertical offset to 0. Enter. Join. Click. Join slab. Click. Untick slab items. Select on beam, change the offset to 0 or change the alignment, measure offset to 0. Join. Click on join again. Escape. Join. Escape. Take on slab items. Now we restore to the original model. The vertical offset is 0. And beam alignment, yes, 0. You can change the alignment from span to span. Yes, span 1 2 3 4 5, check 1 2 3 4 5, or you can change it or double click on the beam to change in the property. Concrete material type, concrete construction, concrete beam, fabricate, cut and flash. You can change to the potential or precast. Reinforcement can change right here in the property. Release, span 1, cantilever end, span 2 and span 5, cantilever end at the end release 2. At the releases, take the cantilever end for the release end 2. Wind, nominal cover can change from one span to other span. Span 1, start from here, 1 2 3 4 and 5. You can change the top cover, bottom cover, side cover, span 1 2 3 4 5, and light design control, check. You can increase the reinforcement, each deflection, check fail, take the option. But for this real section, we use the pre-dimension to make sure everything is working fine without over deflection. So the option you can take or untick. Consider plane. We will discuss more about how to consider plane to use the L beam, and for the T beam in TSD you can click and check right here by use the consider plane. Include the OC slab to the beam, design at the T beam or design at the L beam. Now I keep it in the default. Design parameter, check. Span 1. User permanent load ratio, keep it 0.65. Maximum crack width you can change to 0.4. Yes, 0.3. We keep the default 0.3, 0.3, 0.3. Seismic, fireproofing, slab item, seal the model. Thank you for your watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.